Hello guys, what's up? Our video for today is about how to earn money from YouTube. I will show you how to do it in 5 ways. But before we continue this instructional video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and ring the bell so you will get notified every time I upload a new video. So guys, let's go to my computer screen. Okay guys, let's go to YouTube Studio and then go to customization. In the layout section, you have to upload a trailer for people who haven't subscribed, and also in the featured video for returning subscriber. Also add a section like a short video, live, upload, popular upload, upcoming live stream or past live stream, and also add your created playlist. And then let's go to branding. In the branding, you have to upload a profile picture, also upload a banner, and also a video watermark. I have a tutorial for this creating banner. I will add it in the description, and then let's go to basic info. Here in this section, you can edit your channel and then add a description. Okay guys, the second step was to upload videos on our channel. Upload videos at least 5 to 10 videos daily. You don't need to create a perfect video. You don't need to waste too much time in editing your video. Remember, you were just starting. Your skills in video editing will be developed while you were continue uploading videos in your channel. The third step was metadata. What is metadata? Metadata is the information that used to describe the data contained on your video. For short, metadata is the explanation or a summary of what is your video about. You will need to add a metadata in every video you uploaded to your channel. You can use TubeBuddy or keyword tool.io. Both of these are giving a free keywords to be added in the tags of your video. I have a tutorial about adding proper metadata. I will add it in the description. And also, I have a tutorial installing a TubeBuddy to your PC or laptop. I will add it also in the description. The fourth step was adding YouTube cards. YouTube cards are the solution for driving actionable result from your video content. This is the end screen and the cards. I'll show you guys my end screen. My end screen was this best viewer. This is the subscribe button and my playlist. And also I will show you the cards I added in this video. You can add up to 5 cards. I have a video tutorial for this adding end screen. I will add it in the description of this video. The fifth step was to promote your channel or your video in any social media or live stream. Join any live stream, collaborate with them, collaborate with the same needs, and post all your videos to any social media. But do not spam any groups you are joining, because you are most likely to be banned on the group if you spam their group. Once you have reached the requirement of YouTube, which is 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watts hour, apply for the monetization and wait for the result. Let's say you have been approved for the YouTube Partner Program. This time, you will need to upload a video regularly, so your channel will continue to grow and you will earn much money from your video. Also, you can try to upload a short video which is very easy to get viral. And also, you can make a video longer than 8 minutes, so you can manage the mid-roll of this video. I have this tutorial on my channel. I will add it in the description of this video. And also, do not forget to add a proper metadata in all of your video upload, which is I also have a tutorial in this channel. I will add it also in the description of this video. These are the only steps I have done in making my channel grow and get monetized. So guys, I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and ring the bell so you will get a notification in every video I will upload in my channel.